Hey guys, what's up? So today I am doing a Lego mystery build, and I don't know which set's under here. But before I get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Whoa! So this one is the Lego Harry Potter Quidditch match, and it's one I've been looking forward to building for a while. So let's take a look at the box. This set is recommended for ages 7 to 14. It is set number 75956, and it has 500 pieces. This set comes with 6 minifigures: Severus Snape, Lucian, Bole, Marcus Flint, Oliver Wood, Harry Potter, and Hermione Granger. On the front of the box we have Slytherin and Gryffindor playing Quidditch, and on the back of the box we have all of the different features that the set has. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. We have bag number 2. Bag number 3. Bag number 1. 2 instruction booklets, some stickers, and that's it. Okay, let's start building. First up we have the minifigures. Okay, from left to right we have Hermione Granger, Harry Potter, Lucian Bole, Oliver Wood, Marcus Flint, and Severus Snape. We have the Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff stands and the goal hoops. On the goal hoops we have a lever that you can put a minifigure on top of, so they're guarding the goal hoops. On the Ravenclaw stands we have a megaphone and a Ravenclaw flag, and over on these Hufflepuff stands we have the scores of the teams and which teams are playing, and on the back of the Hufflepuff stands we have little storage area for the team boards. Now on to the Gryffindor stand. This one has a little flap, I guess, that you can make a player or minifigure fly through. With the Slytherin tower stands, we have Snape in here, and there's a little switch back here where if you turn it, Snape's robes will catch fire, like in the book. Also over here is where the bludger gets shot out, because usually they're just flying around and hitting people. And make sure not to hit anyone with one of these. Marcus Flint has a mechanism on his broom that can shoot the quaffle, which is the ball you need to shoot through the hoops, and works like this. Here we have the chest with the quaffle and bludgers in it. You can also put the snitch in there. And right here we have the Quidditch trophy, the Quidditch cup. Thanks for watching. Hope you had as much fun as I did. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.